Hello. Hello.
Yes, sure. You're
Yeah, I'm
audible.
audible, right? Yeah, that
Yes.
sure, guys. So, we have seen users and roles, right? But let's explore groups also. I have given a recording. I'm not sure whether it's our class recording or not. But I'll recheck again because tomorrow it's Saturday, so I'll have some free time. Okay, I'll check and I can definitely help you out, guys. So, coming to this, going to this, so I'll open any existing record, not a new record. So usually every user profile will be checked from this user table, and the backend name of the user table is sys underscore user. And whenever you are checking any user form, you have to check whether this field active is checked or not. If it is logged out, sorry, Venkat, I have some background noise from you. Hello, I'm audible, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay. So, firstly, you have to check this whether the field is active or not. If it is logged out, if it is inactive, you cannot perform impersonation. Impersonation is a one of the important topic for us to perform some testing. Okay, so we usually impersonate another user and do certain testing. Okay, so we'll be doing that in practical. At that time, you can understand. And apart from that, mail manager information, this has to be filled. Okay, coming down, you will be finding roles groups. Again, roles, we cannot add direct roles until unless you have instructions to do. Okay, coming to groups, yes. So what is groups? So just type groups on your left navigator. Under user administration, you will be finding groups. Okay, so sys underscore user underscore group, this is the backend name of the group table, and you will be finding almost 49 groups. Like here we are in PDF, we are finding 49 groups, but coming to real time, it could be more than 1,000 also. So, but even in like even in the real time, the backend names, everything remains the same. Okay, just by typing sys underscore user underscore group dot list. Okay, just by giving the backend name, you will be able to open the groups. So let's say we'll create a new group. Demo March. Okay, so you can set some user as a group manager. So being a group manager, he'll be able to add and remove people. Add or remove users. Okay, so they can also have their own group email for any exchange of information or to approve some relevant request or anything. Again, one group can have a parent group and also parent child relationship. That means if your demo march is a parent group, so we'll also do that. Okay, so it can also have a child node. Okay, coming here, roles. So by adding a role to a group, it's a very big advantage. People who are part of this group, let's say we have 1,000 users need to be part of this March group, and all the 1,000 users need a role. So instead of opening each user's record and adding a role individually, we prefer adding them to a group. And let's say if you want to add users to the group, it's again simple. If there are no users, you'll just click on new and create a new user record. Let's say we'll create something like Ayansh. Okay. Save it. Okay, this is the one way to create a new user record from the groups. Even if you want to select the existing users, I'm sorry, just add underscore list. Even from URLs, you can switch to other tables, guys. That is advantage here. And I'll just sort with Z2A on updated field. So I can see demo watch, the one which we have created now. See, there is one group member. If you want to add any existing members, click on edit option. So you can select the users, refresh. See, now I have added all the 11 users in a go. Okay, if any child groups are there, you can also just check them here. Let's say we'll create a demo fab, demo jan groups. Again, start using the backend names, guys. So when you start working in real time, you'll be having some good hands-on knowledge by then. So it will be more easy for you. Okay. So there is no disturbance with the voice. It's not cracking and all, right?
It is clear, Shreya.
Okay, yeah. So demo fab, child of demo match. Okay, so I'm just selecting this, save it. Coming to group members. I'll add some couple of users here. Save it. And demo March will add a role which is admin or ITL role. Some of the powerful roles will add. Okay. Okay. See, I have added this role which is ITIL on demo March. Okay. If you refresh, you can see it was inherited to the child. See, the role has been granted from demo March. Even if you create demo Jan and if you are making demo March as a parent, the role from your parent will be inherited to the child, but not the group members, because group members is our decision who should be part of this group, who should not be part of this group. That's the reason system doesn't copy or inherit the group members from parent to child or from any other group. Is it clear? But roles, yes. If the role is present on the parent group, definitely the it will be inherited to the child group. And here in the child, you can see under groups demo feb, which is the child of demo march. You got it? Hello? Yeah.
Shreya, I have a
Yes.
doubt.
Yes.
So you said like the roles of parent comes to child, right?
Yes.
So does the roles of child will go to the
No.
parent as
No.
well?
No. If you want, let's create a one more group, and now let's make Jan demo Jan has a child of demo feb. Let's see that. Okay.
Okay.
From child to I'm sorry, I have open users. From child to parent, it will not, in reverse it will not copy. Demo Jan 2025, child of demo March. Okay, demo Feb. Save it. Now on this Jan 2025, I'll be adding a role. Okay, is that okay? So which role will add? Admin role this time. And we'll add few group members. You can copy all the sys IDs of users and paste them. So it will be easy for you to Carolina. I'm good with 3 users. Now all the 3 users, if you check, they will have this role. And coming to groups, let's add a parent group, which is December Feb. Sorry, demo Feb. Refresh. So see, it got a ITL from DemoFab. If you open DemoFab, it got a role from Demo March. And coming to your Demo March, it will only have a ITL role. It doesn't have an admin role. Did you get that? So parent roles have been inherited to the child, but not the child qualities will be given to the parent. Likewise, how our DNA works. Will be our qualities again will be inherited by our children, but not by our parents, right?
Yes, got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is how you will be. And one more thing. So let's take Ayansh, the user whom we have created today. Okay, he's been added to demo march, and definitely he'll be holding this ITL role. So when I just scroll down, I can see he's having a ITL role, but I want to know which group is giving him this access. Under role inheritance map, you can clearly see which group is giving him this access. See, Ayansh being part of demo march, he's getting the target role ITIL. So inheritance map will help you with the information. Let's say again we'll add him into demo uh, January. Okay. So from here also you can add him to the group. Just click on edit. We know demo January group is already there. So go with the edit action. Demo Jan 2025. So now he's part of two groups. Let's see how many roles will be reflected. See, he's now part of two groups and there are 84 roles. And coming to ITIL. Okay, just click here on the gear icon, search ITIL. See, the inheritance count is 2. That means it was added 2 times. Okay, but it will not reflect like duplicate. Okay, the count will show as 2. And coming here, Ayansh is a user, demo March and demo Jan 2025. Both are giving him this ITIL role. You got it now?
So Shreya, I have a doubt.
Mm-hmm.
This demo March and demo Jan both can, but both are assigned to.
Yeah. Why you stopped in between? You can go ahead.
Some noise is
Sorry?
some background Muslim is playing from play area.
Okay, that's okay, fine, Naresh. No problem. You go ahead.
So that you just open that inherited.
Inheritance map, okay? Yeah.
So we are able to see.
Both
Yes.
groups are giving him one role.
Okay.
Okay. Only the inheritance count will be increased, but the role will be same. Okay. See,
Okay.
even if I add ITL role for 10 times, the functioning for ITL will remain the same. It doesn't work differently. Okay. Only thing, the count, how many times, I'm sorry, only the count will be shown. See, inheritance counts. That means he's having ITL role for twice, one from March group, one from January group. That's it. Okay. But here under roles, you can see ITL only for once. Is it clear, guys?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah, cool. So now if we are good with roles, groups, and users, I'll jump to other topic. But if you have any queries, I can help you with your queries, guys. All my 13 participants, you can unmute and talk. I have no issue. Hello. If no, let me know so that I can move to other topic.
Oh, you just carry on.
Yeah. How about others?
Shreya,
Yes.
if one manager have two different roles, sorry, if one have one, there is only one manager, but
Mhm.
same employee need to have two different roles. So at that moment, what they should do?
One person can have multiple roles, right? There is no restriction
Yeah,
that you need to have only one
but
role.
manager is same, right? So when we are creating the group, we have to give manager role, right?
See, manager means group manager, guys. Manager will not have a any other, like he will have the rules according to his designation. Manager means he can add people, he can remove the people, he can control the actions on group.
Okay.
Okay, so manager can have one role, manager can have 100 roles. It purely depends on his designation. It purely again depends on the project that he works for. See, unnecessarily will never give the roles to any user, though it's a manager, though it's an architect. If they require, they can raise a request and they can get the access.
Okay.
Okay, so I don't know what was your exact question.
And if one person have 2 or 3 different roles, how to make one as mandatory and rest as
No, it's not like that. Venkat will not have any mandatory here. If you have a role, you can access the applications, menus, and modules. If you don't have a role, you are not allowed to access them. Okay. In roles, we'll never have this mandatory and all. Okay. So, based on the dignity of roles, let's say admin is a powerful role. This role is not given for everyone. So, even if you request for admin role, they'll just check why you need this role. If there is a validation that says that you need this role for this particular job activity, they may give you. Okay, so roles are different. It's not like mandatory or not mandatory. If required, you will have a role on your profile. If not required, if you are removed from a group, the role will be disappeared on your profile.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So let's jump into topic of tables. Is that okay, guys? Hello.
Yeah.
So everywhere, see, when I open users under user administration, you were able to see this, right? We have 633 records. Where the 633 records are stored on the user table. Okay, this is again a system table or out of the box table. Likewise, if I just go to incidents.list, we have a dedicated menu for incident. If you type incident, you can find this. This is a menu. Beneath that, these are the modules. When I just open incident all, I can find all the incidents are being stored in this incident list, which is the table of incidents. Okay, so likewise, you have a requirement to configure your own custom table. Custom table is nothing but the table which we are going to configure or create, which is not given by ServiceNow directly. But this tables, users, incidents, problem, change request, knowledge, there I'll give you a list of tables. These are given by ServiceNow, and these tables are also called as out of the box tables or as system tables. Okay, so firstly, what is a table? Tables in ServiceNow. It's just a 2-minute theory. So in ServiceNow, a table is a collection of records organized into rows and columns. So when you open any, this is a record or a row, guys. Okay, horizontal ones or rows, vertical ones or columns or fields. Okay, see, user ID, it's a field. First name, it's a field. Last name, it's a field. You can call it either a field or a column. So see, this is a column. Business phone, it's a column. Manager, it's a column. So this is a row which I'm highlighting. It's a row or a record. So a table is a combination of rows and columns or a records and fields. Okay, you can go with any terminology. I'm okay. See, a collection of records organized into rows and columns. Each row is a record, and each column is a field. So each row is a record. This is a record, and each column is a field. You got it? This is a field. Language is a field. But when it comes to list, language is a column that tells you how many users are having a language of English or having a language of Spanish. Is it clear, guys? Hello?
Yeah, Shreya.
Yes,
Yeah, I always like interactive classes,
Yeah.
guys. Then only it will be easy for me. Okay, so don't worry, I'm here to make you learn. Okay, so after creating, I don't know, need application. No, I don't need this application. I just want to create tables. after creating application. So usually from system definitions, we'll be using the tables, but there are helping us with some other fields. Okay, here you have all the information. That's okay. Practically, we'll see. So just by typing tables, okay, under system definitions, okay, you can bookmark this. Let's say if you don't want to bookmark columns and decision tables and all, you can just remove that. Okay. Even I don't want to bookmark this. Done. So just by clicking on tables, see the backend name of a table is sys underscore db underscore object. So what is the sys underscore db underscore object? Usually we store data in data sources or those databases, right? But nowadays everything is automated, and ServiceNow makes it much more simple for us storing the data in tables. So you need not to write any database queries here. It is more convenient to work on tables, guys. So sys db object, that means every object or entity is treated as an database object here. So indirectly this table is relationally connected with multiple tables in ServiceNow. Most of them are system tables, your custom tables. It could be extended table, extensible table. Okay, so all the tables information, this is the parent of all the tables in ServiceNow. So you can also just open your tables table with this backend name sys underscore db underscore object. See how many tables are there. 5,941 tables. 5,941 tables. Okay, you can search for any table. Let's say you want to see problem table. Just provide problem even on the name or a label name. Anything is fine. See, for problem, there are 11 tables. If I talk about change request, it's only one table. If it is a SC request or just a request, see, there are 10 tables. So likewise, related to all the tables are stored here in this sysdb object table, or you can also just remember the navigation type tables under system definition. You'll be finding it. Open that and you can create your own table from here. So just by clicking on this new button, we have that option to create a new custom table. Why am I saying it as a custom table? Because the table which we are going to create comes under custom tables, guys. See, a table is a collection of records in database. Each record corresponds to a row in a table, and each field on a record corresponds to a column on that table. Okay, nothing but what I was discussing. If I open incident.list, this is the shortcut to open your incident list. See, this is a record or a row. So a table is a collection of records in database. Each record corresponds to a row in a table. See, when I just open, this is a record, and when I just go back, it's horizontally the information is aligned. You got it now? And each field on a record corresponds to a column on the table. See, number is a column on the form. And now here field, number is a field on the form. Now here number is a column on this list. That is what they are telling. And you have to provide the label name and the name. So when you give the label name, system automatically generates this name. And let's say March 7th. Dummy data. This is my table name. Okay, see, whenever you create any new table, or whenever there is any custom table by anyone, you can identify with the prefix. It starts with U underscore. Okay, what is this extendable table? I will hold it for now. We can discuss this. Sure, you can. It's too fast to process. Okay. Sure. Thank you. So extends table is nothing but we'll be discussing about this little later. I don't know. I just explained the theory because for theory, um, I don't know how to be discuss this slowly. Hello. So Satish, where exactly you felt it's fast? I can repeat the topic for you.
It seems to be fast for me.
Okay, but we have
Yeah,
many
I
topics
can.
to discuss. That's the reason.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I just opening tables concept. So we have a dedicated table to store all tables in ServiceNow, which is sysdb object. Okay, you can either use a backend name and open this list, or you can go with the navigation, whatever under system definitions you will be finding tables and columns. Go with the tables. To create a new table, just click here on the new button. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
so you have to give a label name and a backend. Backend name will be generated by the system. You need not to do anything. So March 7th, 2025. I'll just keep it simple. So if the name of the table starts with U underscore, it's an indication that this table is a custom table. This is not system generated table. Okay, so coming here, we are doing it on the application scope global. Okay, this is the standard application scope. So here it is global, that's fine. So again, you want to create a module. See, system definition is a menu, tables is a module, so you can open it from here. Likewise, if you want to create for your table, just check this checkbox. If you want to create the same on mobile, as ServiceNow is accessible on mobile, you can check this. Otherwise, you can also uncheck it if not required. So if you want to create a menu, see, if I type incident, this is the menu, these are the modules. So if you want to create a menu, let's say March 2025 table, this is the menu name and this will be the module name, guys. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, yes, Riya.
Okay, save it. So whenever you create a new table in ServiceNow, 6 fields are created by default. What are those? Created, created by, update, updated by, updates, and a sysID. So what is a sysID? SysID is a 32-bit hexadecimal value, which I have already discussed, okay, which is of 16 pairs. It's a combination of A to F and 0 to 9 alphabets. And when you scroll down, these are the 6 fields what we are discussing. See, sysID, which is a globally unique identifier. For each and every record, the sysID will be unique. For each and every field, the sysID will be unique. Okay, you cannot match sysID with another sysID, and this sysID is system generated. Is it clear, guys? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, yes, Riya. It
Yeah.
is.
Yeah, coming to created, at what time this is created, the date and time can be traced from here. Created by, who has created? Is it by Priya or is it by Shreya? If I want to know, under created by, we can get the information. Let's say at 8:20 I have created this table. Again at 8:30 I made some changes. So 8:20 the table was created by Priya, and 8:30 Shreya has made some changes. So created will show as 8:20, created by shows as a Priya, updated will show as a 8:30, updated by will be under my name, which is Shreya. So because I made updates, so based on who has done the updates, it will check the profile. Let's say if it is Venkat, it reflects as Venkat. If it is Rishi, it reflects as Rishi. Updates, how many updates were made, the count of it, integer value. Let's say I have done 3 updates, so it will give me as give the result as 3 integer value. Is it clear? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so from theory also they are discussing the same here. So here, if you see under system definitions, under from tables, you can create a table. What is schema map? Mostly tomorrow we will be covering that. And see, create a table without extending another table. So whatever we are doing now, creating a table without extending an existing table means the application developer has complete control over the tables, columns, and the business logic. This type of tables is often used for table containing reference or lookup data. For example, a flight tracking application may have a table that contains airport location and airport codes. So usually this 6 fields: created by sysid, updated by updated. Okay, the 6 fields are given. So what is this extends table, extensible table? I'll be talking about it. Before jumping into that, if you want to delete the table, you can delete the table. If you want to modify, like let's say you have added some label name, or if you have added a column to your table, let's say I want to add name field. Why we have a tables? To store the data. Where we store the data? On a form, right? Like you fill the form, you save the form, and that form gets stored in a table. Is it clear, guys?
Once repeat, please.
Okay. I want to save a information like name, email, phone number. Where do I store it? I'll enter the values in a form, right? And this forms will be stored in a table. That's how forms and tables are interconnected.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm creating a field. See, name. I'm taking a type as string. So how many types are available or supported in ServiceNow? We'll be discussing everything. We'll have a class for types of fields in ServiceNow. So don't worry. I'm choosing the type as a string. String is a type of a field that supports both alphabets and numerics. Okay. Now I want to add one more field, which is contact number. Again, I'll just give it a string. Okay, so these 2 fields which we are creating, that's the reason you have an option to delete them. But for the system generated fields, you don't have an option to delete them. Is it clear, guys? So now if I want to save these changes, I'll just click on update. So just go back, refresh your form. So the menu and module are not yet created. It takes 5 minutes or something to reflect, but that's okay. Go to tables under system definition. So just go to updated field, sort it with Z2A. What is this sorting also? I'll help you. When you sort Z2A, the latest information will be shown on the top. Okay, see March 7, 2025 is the table that we have configured today. And if you just come here, we have configured name and contact number. Only for those fields, you have an option to delete. So you have a related links. What this related links and all we'll be discussing. But for now, go with show form. See, name, contact number. Let's say Priya. Save it. So where this information is stored? In our March 7, 2025 table. You got it now?
Yes.
So you can take this backend name. Yeah.
Say that you just show form open.
Yes. I just
Oh.
clicked on show form.
Okay. In that we have created manually, that only will reflect in show form, right?
No, I'll show you that. Okay.
Oh.
See, this is the table, which is a March 7, 2025. The backend name starts with U underscore. Why it is starting with U underscore, guys?
Update.
Which means it was created by us.
Yes. Yes. It's a right answer. So, and how many fields will reflect whenever you create a new table in ServiceNow?
6.
What are those? Created by, update, updated by, updates, and SSID.
System.
Okay. So now, whenever I create a new record for this March 2025, all the records information will be listed out here. See, if you want, go with a new record, just click on new. Let's create a record from here. Let's take Supriya. Save it. Now, if I'll give you a shortcut here, guys, instead of going back, clicking on new button or trying to, let's see whether the module is created by now, March. See, March 2025, this is the menu, this is the module. So from here also, if you open, it directly redirects you to the list. You got it? See, Priya and Supriya. Again, clicking on you, creating a record. Let's take Mahesh. Save it. So the easy shortcut, remove the sys ID. Okay, when you just double tap on it, the 32-bit string will be selected. Just backspace it, -1. You will be on a new record. This can be applied on any table, not only on our March 7 table, even on your incident table or a change request table or a problem table. Okay. Hello.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a shortcut, guys. And to open, I'll give you some more shortcuts here. You can always understand on what table you are in or on what form you are actually working on from the URL. See, the first field tells you whether your particular web page, whatever you are accessing, is secured or not. See, hypertext transfer protocol, it's a secured. This is the instance name. For each one of us will have a different instance name. Coming to your real time, it comes with your project's name. ServiceNow.com, it's again a domain name. So project to project, they'll only configure this, you need not to worry. They'll give you the access directly. And this is the backend name. So you can just take this backend name, copy it without any spaces, because spaces are considered as characters. When I type list, see, I'm on this March 7, 2025 list where I have 4 records. To open the form, again, just paste the same backend name, add do. This is one shortcut. Otherwise, you can also add FORM form. This is another shortcut. If you use do or form or list in small in case, let's say do, it opens within the same tab. If you give capital DO, it opens in the new tab. Likewise for list also. If I give LIST within the same window, if you give list in capital, on a different tab. Okay, I'm comfortable using it in different tabs. That's the reason I'll give LIST or do or form in capital. Is it clear? And to come back to your home page, just click on the logo. Hello?
Yes, Shreya.
Yeah, so now not only these 6 fields, guys, whenever we create any new table, we will have a 4 ACLs also. What are ACLs? Access control list. We'll be talking about this. It takes at least 1 month for us to talk about ACLs. But for now, you can just remember 4 ACLs are also created. What are those? Create ACL, read ACL, write ACL, delete ACL. Okay, to access them, we need a role. Okay, to enable the role under controls, we have that action option. Okay, so see, create access control. This is the role that is generated by the system directly. If you don't want to use this role, if you want to use some other role, this is a reference icon or a lookup icon. Just by clicking here, you'll have a list of roles. See, it is redirecting you to the roles table. We have almost 550 roles. Even the roles which we have configured in our previous class, you can find them. See, demo role 2. You got it? But for now, you can just leave it. That's okay. But make sure this is checked and the role information is already populated. And what is auto numbering? What is extensible? What is live feed? Okay, let's understand this. Go to incidents. See, incident.do. It opens in a new tab. INC. What is this? I'm on an incident form. So it clearly says that you're on incident form. This is the number of reference number of this incident. Okay. If I refresh it, it will be auto incremented by 61. So again, You want to configure something similar on your form. We are on March, so I want to have a auto numbering. See, use auto numbering to define a sequential identifying code made up of prefix, a base number, and a padding value to ensure the consistent format. So when you enable auto numbering, you have this option to decide the prefix, number, and what is a maximum number. Let's say maximum number is 5. Okay, save it. March 7th. Go to new. See, 01001 up to 5 numbers. March is a prefix. You got it, guys? Now if I reload, it will be 2. If I reload, it will be 3. Auto incrementing. So to enable that, just click on auto numbering, provide your prefix value, and decide how many digits it has to display. Okay, live feed, again, what is happening on this table. If you want to know the updates, you can follow this. You can just click here on the enable. And what is extensible, I'll be talking about it tomorrow, because tables topic takes 2 hours for us to understand completely. I don't want to rush. Okay, what is extensible, what is this extends, everything I'll be talking about. Coming to application access, so is this table should only available on your particular application scope or on all scopes? You can define it here. Public means in all application scopes, this table is accessible. If it is a particular application scope, only in that application scope, let's say we have various application scopes. Just by expanding this, you can see these are all custom applications, but global is a standard one. Okay. You can define this here, and whenever it is all application scopes, which is public, you can make someone create, update, or delete and read the content. Okay, you have this option to enable or disable, allow configurations, allow access to this table via web services. Save it. This is like controlling your form or table, guys. That's it. Now if you want to delete all the records, let's say, so from history also you can see, I'm opening the list. We have 4 records. If you want to delete all the 4 records, just click here on delete to delete all records from March 7, 2025. Provide delete. Okay. 4 records from this table will be deleted. Refresh. Now records are deleted. If you want to create a new record, you can do that. See, again, I'll go to sysid, remove it and give -1. See, the sysid is -1 until I save the record. Once it gets saved, system will generate a sysid for that particular record. Save it. Now if you go to the list, so again from the URL, you can open other tables. See, Pinky Sidhu, I think Sidhu's record I haven't saved. Now if I want to go to incident list, I can just type backend name of incident _list. See, if I want to go to user list, sys_user _list. If I want to open roles list, sys_user_role _list. We'll be using dot here. We'll be using underscore here. See, if I want to open group, sys_user_group.list. So _list. You got it? Hello? These are shortcuts. With practice, you'll be more comfortable to use them. So I'll not rush. I'll just hold it for now. Please practice how to create a table. See the navigation clearly. Go and create a user profile, role, group, and a table. This is the actual activity for you guys. And tomorrow at 8 p.m. let's connect, and there is no class on Sunday. Okay, so you can relax or practice or learn ServiceNow. Okay, coming from Monday, every day we'll have a class till next Saturday. Okay. Hello.
Sure, here, Shreya.
Yeah, if any questions, we can discuss for next 10 minutes, because see, everyone are new to this topics. That's the reason I'm not taking 1 hour class for today. Okay, but from tomorrow we'll have a 1 hour solid class. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but please practice this concepts, guys, without any delay, because these are initial classes and we are just covering the basics. If you have anything to discuss, well and good, we can discuss now. Otherwise, I'll just close today's class.
I'm good, Shreya.
Yeah. Yeah. No other questions from anyone? Sanjani, Satish, Venkat, Supriya, Katyayani, Hema, Naresh, Priya,
I'm good.
Vijay.
Shreya, I have a query. Like,
Mhm.
what is the difference like UI 16 and UI 15?
UI 15, we have a very less options to do. Okay, if you give basic configuration, if you just explore them, you can only find the difference. I think it's very simple. Under system properties, both the UI 15, UI 16 are enabled, and nowhere we call it as UI 15 now. It is under basic configuration. So you can just customize few things from UI 15, which is a basic configuration, just the header caption, or if you want to have any banner colors and all, tab title, add any logo and a time zone, date format, time format, and a banner text color. Only limited options. Coming to UI 16, you have more options. You can do some background for navigations, styling also you can do it here. Okay, again, these are all hexadecimal codes, guys. So when you just click here, you will have this color palette. You can just drag this cursor and choose your colors. Okay, if you know the RGB values, you can also adjust like that, but it's purely your choice. As we developers, we don't do much of this work. Okay. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Shreya, you are.
Yeah, so Naresh, your doubt is cleared or not?
Yeah, clear,
Yeah,
clear.
so please respond, otherwise how do I know?
Sorry, someone is calling me.
Okay, so guys, you tell me if you have anything to ask or anything to discuss.
We'll get practice, and today we'll ask any question, any doubts.
So if you have any doubts, we'll discuss in the class only, guys. If something that is very priority or you cannot wait, you can ping me, but not in the midnights again, because people are pinging me around 11:30, 12, which is my sleeping time. I don't appreciate using the phone in such odd hours. Okay.
Okay, Shreya.
So we can have a call at 7:50 till 8. We can discuss queries, and from 8 to 9 we can have a class. Okay. Or if classes started at 8, 8:10 we can continue till. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
You can note down your queries, and you cannot come back to me saying that you haven't responded at night 12. Hope you understand that, right?
yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. So thank you, guys. Let's connect tomorrow. The link is active till 10th of this February. Sorry, March. I'm so sorry. So people who haven't enrolled yet, please enroll. Okay. Post 10th, you will have a fresh link. Okay.
Shreya, doubt like we have not getting any theory related topics in notes.
I
Only
already
record,
given a notes
recording.
drive link. So you can just check from there. Okay.
Okay.
I have already given a drive access in the group. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. If you haven't checked it, please check. Maybe if you haven't received it, let me know. Okay.
I forwarded 4-5 links in that.
I have
Can you
given like
pop
a
up?
notes.
Can you pop up it in group? Pop up, please.
Yeah, sure. So it says Snow Notes Google Drive. Okay.
Oh, okay, fine.
Yeah. I'm anyhow forwarding it again in the group. So you'll have a notes for first few classes. Post that I'll give you another link where you'll find all the class notes. Okay. Yeah, sure, guys. Then happy weekend. Let's connect tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, Shreya. Thank you for the session.
Thank you.